This car is a Proton Persona 1.3 Comporo engine. The problem with this car is no crank, no start. Now I will get inside the car, start the engine and check it. Look, I turned the ignition switch to the on position. When I click to start, there is no sound. No crank, no start. There are many reasons for the problem. The main reasons are: number 1, damage to the car battery. Number 2, starter fuse, relay or starter damage. If your car has such a problem, how to check and how to solve the problem? I will switch off the ignition key of the car. After getting out of the car, I will first check the battery charge voltage of the car. The battery charging of this car is 100% correct. There is no problem with the battery of this car. If your car battery has a problem, definitely change it. Reason number 2, now I will check the starter fuse and relay. I removed the fuse box cover on the left side of the engine compartment of this car. Inside the fuse box are the starter fuse and relay. Look, the starter fuse and relay diagram is provided inside the fuse box cover. This is the starter relay. Look, this is a 30 amp size starter fuse. From the left side the fuse box fuse numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and this 5, 1 is the starter fuse. I checked the starter fuse and there is no problem. This is the starter relay, and next to it is the blower motor relay. First I removed the starter relay to test it. Now I will remove the blower motor relay and install it in place of the starter relay. I installed this relay in place of the blower motor. To test, change the starter relay in this way. Now I will get inside the car and test to see if the car engine starts or not. I turned the ignition key switch to the on position. Look, the car's engine started as soon as I clicked the ignition switch. Inshallah, now there is no more problem. This means the starter relay is the problem. You can check your car yourself this way and solve the problem. If you have any problems understanding anything while watching the video, please let me know by commenting. Thank you.